So what is up, guys? So right now it's a very exciting day for me because I've been waiting for this package for quite a time, and when I get home I saw this package waiting for me. So this package is actually waiting for me. It comes from Sirui, and yes, here comes my Sirui P1 gimbal finally arriving. Yeah, let's do some unboxing of this package that has been waiting for me, and let's get into it. So here we go, guys. Here comes the package that I've been waiting for so long. So it comes from Sirui. It's a gimbal. I'm going to put a link down below on where you could get this, but I got this on a very good deal. I just got it for 99 US dollars, which is pretty good, and this is my first ever gimbal. So let's open it up now. Handy. So as you can see, the packaging is really good, and you could see the Sirui sticker over there. There we go. Let's open it up. And there you go, the Swift P1 gimbal. Okay, so here goes the Swift P1. So as you can see from the box, that you can use it for mirrorless camera, you could use it for GoPro, and you could use it for your phone. So it's just really a 3-in-1 gimbal, which is pretty awesome. And the price range is also on the lower kind of range, so we're gonna see it. So I'm quite excited to open this one. Let's open it up now. Oops, make sure we're doing it quite alright. And the boxing is really good. I mean, the front of the box is really good. The design of it is really good. So there we go. Let's put this plastic away, and let's open this up. Oh, and there you go. Oh, how do you open this? Oh, actually this one. Let's get it on, and I'm now removing it from the box. And let's put this box aside for now. And wow, the case, it's quite good, as you can see here. So you could just carry it around, which is pretty good, and you could just put it in your backpack or in your luggage, as you can see. So let's open it up now. Oh, so what do we got here? So this is the gimbal. So this is the gimbal set, as you can see, and let's get it out one by one. So okay, so we have here the tripod, mini tripod. Oh, that's cool. So I think this would go with your I think this would go with this one. So it's for the phone holder. How do you do this? Yeah, I think you just pull it. Yeah, so I think it's for your phone. So you could do like a selfie. Yeah, it's good. And I think you could also use this on the gimbal itself. So yeah, so we've got the mini tripod. Let me just put it over there. It's phone holder. And okay, let's go with this box first. So what is inside the box? So these are just all plates, I guess. Let's open this one up. So I guess this is the plate for your cameras. Yeah, I think this one goes here later. Let's just put it there. And this one, wonder what this is. It's a hinge thing. Still don't know where that goes. And the other one is the plate. I think this is the plate where you put in your GoPro or your phone. Oh, I think this is for the phone, and it's quite heavy to give weight to the phone, which is pretty good. Yep, and let's see what's inside in here. So we've got a bunch of stuff. So we've got instructions on how to set up the gimbal, so it's there. How to set up the tripod. So okay, so this one is for the tripod, and how to touch a camera on the camera platform and stuff like that. And you could also see here the compatible cameras that comes with it. So it's all in their website and their Facebook page. So I'll put a link down below. And then we've got some bunch of stuff. So we've got different cables for Olympus, for Fujifilm, for Sony, and for Panasonic, and some USB cables, a USB-C cable. You can do it. So if you're using a Canon camera, they don't have any cables with it. So yeah, that's it. And now we're going to the gimbal. Oh, you can see. And this is where you put in your camera over there. So yeah, so here is the gimbal, and there's some buttons in here that you could move around. I reckon this is like the zoom out, and this is a wheel for panning probably. And also you've got these buttons in here for different modes. And what's pretty cool in here is that you could actually move this around for when you balance it like that, which is pretty good. And as you can see also in here, there's a USB cable over there. Still, I don't know how to use that, and how we're going to use this thing. And yeah, and then there's this USB cable over here. I think this is where you charge your gimbal, and the weight is actually okay. And yeah, overall it's pretty good. I'm going to make another video of me using this gimbal, because I need to charge this gimbal first, and I still need to know how to function this one, because it's my first ever gimbal. I'm going to do 3 tests on my mirrorless camera, Sony A6 with the 18-105mm lens, and I'm also going to do it with my phone and a GoPro, and we're going to see how this one performs on all 3 devices. So there, and if you like this video, don't forget to click that like button, and if you got this Sirui P1 already, share your comments down below on how I could maximize this Sirui P1. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, click that bell button for you to be notified if I uploaded the review video or the test review of the Sirui P1 gimbal. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and see you guys again soon. Bye!